Murugamiriri munene wa komishona ya Arimu kaunti-ini ya Pokot ya ithuiro niwe nyakoe augite waagi wa Arimu uracogerwo ni ateti amwe a kaunti ino na Akiaria na andiki a mohoro mwena wa kapenguria nioritie atongoria amwe na uyu maranirie itemi-ini ria kwagiria githomo-ini giki.
That has created a great shortage of teachers in the remote areas of West Pokot. And in a situation where the locals are coming and they don't want to go to those local places. Either they have migrated from the local place and they don't want to go there, and sometimes because of what our leaders stand for. It has been a challenge staffing those local areas, and therefore we urge the leaders to support us when it comes to placement of teachers, especially those local teachers who are coming on transfer. Let's support so that they end up going to those places where we don't have teachers. That is what I want to appeal. And if we do that, then it means every learner in the county will get services of the teachers who are in service. We do fair distribution. We encourage that every school gets enough teachers, not really concentrating them or requesting to have them in one place and leaving the other teachers, the other schools without.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William